Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is the video number 2 of Python in 1 minute playlist. And in the last video, you guys were asking to also run the code to show the output. So in today's video, we will also solve another Python short question. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Okay, so today's question is one day list temperature stores values of temperature between -20 and 100 inclusive. There are total 25 temperature values stored in this list. Write a program to find lowest value in this list. So I'll start the timer first, and now let's just write this code. Okay, so first we will initialize a list in which we have 25 elements, 25 different values of the temperature, and next we will initialize the minimum counter. The minimum would be 100 because the maximum value is 100 inclusive. So any value would be smaller than 100. Okay, so next we have for I in range of 25 because we have 25 total values, so I set the range value to 25. Next we will see that if the temperature in the index I means if the temperature in the index of 0, let's say if the index 0 is smaller than the minimum value, then it will store that index into the minimum, and next we will print the minimum value, and done. So now I will just run this to see that if it returns -16, because -16 is the lowest value in this list. It should give us the answer of -16, and yes, it does. So that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.